Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro L2 Diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 115PS Sportive H1 van ready to work. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 155462. MOT, 28 June 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PS E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Power steering pump will need replacing shortly. Gearbox and clutch are fine. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,225. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074